Hi guys, welcome to a new video. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you one of our favorite breakfast recipes at home. It is called crispy potato cake sandwiches. I'm going to be using hot dog buns for this recipe instead of regular bread, and the potato cakes are really crisp and we're going to layer cheese on top and it's going to be really yummy. I really hope you enjoy this recipe. And to make the crispy potato cakes, I'm taking 2 boiled potatoes and I'm roughly mashing it with a fork. Then I'm taking half cup of grated carrot and adding it to the potatoes, and taking 2 chopped green chilies and some coriander leaves chopped. Next, I'm adding half cup of flattened rice that has been soaked in water and removing the excess water from it. Then I'm mixing this mixture once. Next, I'm adding the dry spices. So I've taken salt to taste, half teaspoon of chili powder and half teaspoon of garam masala, and then mixing it well. Our mixture is ready to form the cakes, so I'm slowly taking small portion of the mixture and then making small cakes like these. This mixture makes around 10 to 12 cakes depending on the size. Next, I am adding some avocado oil on a hot pan, and once the oil is hot, I am going to add the potato cakes. I'm adding 6 at once, and I'm going to shallow fry this on both the sides. This takes around 10 minutes to form a golden brown color, and that's what we are looking for. Keep flipping the potato cakes till you achieve that golden brown color, and also add some more oil if you feel it's dry. The color and texture of the cakes looks fine to me, so I'm going to now add some cheese on top and close it with a lid so that the cheese melts. Next, I'm taking these wide hot dog buns and I'm going to saute this just a little, applying some melted butter on the pan. Now I'm going to add the cheese potato cakes. Now 3 was overcrowded and 2 was less, so I added 2.5 potato cakes on each buns. And for the next bun, I put the cheese side down just to show you how crisp these are. I love these. It does not require any dip or any chutney on the side. It tastes perfect like this. I really hope you like this recipe, and if you did, mention in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.